In today's video, we're exploring the Hyatt Centric Ginza. We'll cover what to expect and explore the surrounding neighborhood. One big favorite before we dive in is to give this video a like and subscribe if you like content like this. Welcome to the Hyatt Centric in Ginza, Tokyo. So this is the standard room, but a little bit bigger because we are in the corner. As you can see, since we are in the middle of Ginza, the view is a wall. I guess it's technically a building, but there's not really a view. But if you did want a view, then you can take into art. This is really cute art, so it's supposed to represent the Ginza neighborhood. And there's even more art featuring the neighborhood here. Flipping around, this is the king-size bed over here and a nice little coffee table. The chair is okay. It's more of a work chair. It's a little stiff. All of the light switches are going to be on the side of the bed, which is really convenient. So master light switch, bedroom, mood, night, and reading, along with some charging stations. If you want to play some music, there's a Bose speaker. What's really interesting about this room is that it kind of blends the bedroom and the bathroom part together. Although the island looks like a normal table, check this out. It turns into the bathroom sink. What's really cool is the island is also super functional. So there are hidden drawers throughout here. In this one are the toiletries. So you have a wide range of like toothbrush and cotton pads, shower cap. Hand towels are here. This one doesn't pull out to anything. Over here is the beverage station. Coffee is Nespresso. And instead of having bottles of water, they are being sustainable and giving you bottles of water, which you can refill throughout the stations in the hotel. There are water stations on each floor except for the 12th floor. Even more of the beverage stations. Some of the teas are going to be from TWG. So chamomile is here. And there's also roasted green tea and regular green tea. Hot water kettle to make the teas and a fridge. In this drawer is a handbook, so FYI on the area and the hotel. In case you're curious, you can scan this QR code. Circling back around to the island, there's a makeup mirror here, along with even more mirrors, and a hairdryer. If privacy is a big concern, got you covered. It does only cover half of the room, so it's not like a full divider, but it just covers the part that matters, I guess. And here is the bathroom. Does have a bidet with a wide range of functions. And if we step behind this door, it's the shower room. So bathtub is here. And if you don't want to take a bath, there is a shower head. What's really nice is that if you do actually want to take a bath, you can go downstairs to the lobby and they do provide free bath salts for you. So you can take as many as you want. The shower amenities are from Be Kind. This is the closet area. You can see we already hung up our jackets. Also some robes. If you forgot your pajamas or you want to borrow some, they do have pajamas you can wear. There's also yukatas down here. This is the yukata design. Slippers here are a little different. So they are reusable and they do sanitize them after each guest. If you decide to take them, it'll be 6,600 yen. Safe is down here. And here's a tray of shoe amenities. Sebi's favorite is the lint roller. If you want the traditional disposable slippers, that is also an option here. There's also an iron and ironing board on the side. In case you're curious where we are right here. So the corner room. Every room here is going to be standard size except for this one, which is probably a suite. Corner rooms are slightly bigger, and the ice and water is going to be on the opposite side of the hall for us. Oh, I almost forgot to measure the TV. How'd you measure it, Seth? Like this? Stop it. There's also a stool over here too that's hidden underneath the island. All right, and that wraps up the standard room tour. Keep watching if you want to see what the Deluxe Twin looks like. We booked this stay using World of Hyatt points, and I think it's a solid option. If you want to learn more about credit cards that offer flexible points that transfer to World of Hyatt or any hotel cards, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Using those links helps support channel, so thank you in advance. All right, let's go check out the rest of the property. This is the lobby area, so nice little pop-up shop here, and there's plenty of space to relax or co-work. Oh, he's awake today. This is Aibo. Usually when we visit, he's sleeping, but it looks like it's playtime for him. Wide variety of seats and different mixtures of chairs, so I'm sure you can find one that matches your comfort level. Fun retro arcade games throughout the property. This little nook is the lounge. There's complimentary green tea. They do refill these periodically throughout the day. Sub's favorite, the espresso machine. It's a water station. And if you do want something stronger in the wagon, there are alcoholic drinks. So you have some Heineken, Suntory highballs. Yeah, this is here 24/7. Also, lots of snacks. So have some puffy chips. This is like a giant Cheeto stick. It's really interesting. There's also tea, and below here is the fridge where you can find all of the juices, Coke, and protein milk. By the concierge desk, there's also a bunch of goodies and candies. And another cool feature is that all of the books in the library are functional, meaning that if you want to borrow one and take it up to your room, just notify the front desk and they'll note it down so you can read in the lobby or in your room. There's also a gym that's open 24 hours and it looks pretty cool. Wide range of weights and ellipticals here. Location-wise, if you love eating and shopping, this is the place to stay, especially luxury shopping. If you have Discoverist or above status, then you can get a free drink at the bar from 5 to 9 p.m. They have a wide variety of non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks. So in my case, the first night I got a soda water with some lychee syrup. Sebastian got a whiskey. You can enjoy it at the bar or take it to go. Ginza is Tokyo's equivalent of Fifth Avenue in New York City. It features flagship stores of global luxury brands. Even if you're not into shopping, the elaborate window displays and architecture are fun to explore. Despite its upscale image, it is possible to find casual and hidden gems for dining. Hey, it's dinner time and we are on our way to eat some udon. It's on the 10th floor of the shopping mall. Relatively cheap eats in a fancy environment. Be aware that this is a popular spot, so even though we got here around 5 something, there was still a 1 hour wait. So to join the wait list, just sign up on the tablet, take a number, and since it is in a mall, you can feel free to walk around or explore the area. You can even get up to 3 portions of noodles for the same price. TsuruTonTan first started in Osaka and are known for their huge bowls, handmade thick noodles, and creative flavors. The spot takes traditional udon to the next level. They offer classic udon like tempura and curry, but also unique dishes like truffle carbonara and even uni udon. Alright, appetizers are here. The first one I ordered is tofu, and the second one is all because of Sebastian. Sebastian, what do we have here?
Horse meat.
This is horse meat sashimi hand rolls. I guess every day it is a venture on trying a new type of food that we have not tried before, and I have to say, raw horse meat was not on my bingo card this trip, but here we are.
Well, I don't know. Wait, what sounds horse meat?
Okay, let's see your reaction to it.
Should I eat this or should I wait or should I just eat the horse? It looks a bit more intimidating than I thought, meat-wise. Let's eat a bit first. It actually tastes pretty good. It just reminds me of like the beef.
Beef tartare?
Yeah, it really reminds me of beef tartare. Have like a bit of lemon zest to it, and there's like a sauce. And yeah, it just tastes like beef tartare.
You get up to 3 portions of udon for free, and guess what Sebastian ordered? For mine specifically, it was only up to 1.5 because there are more ingredients, but he maxed it out.
Also, in case you're wondering, people do order their own bowls. Even very petite females, like across from us, that look tiny, have gigantic bowls of udon.
All right, let's try the hand roll. It is minced horse meat, so it tastes like beef tartare. If you didn't tell me it was horse meat, I probably wouldn't know the difference. For my dish, I got the winter special, which is a collagen-rich stone-grilled Korean ginseng chicken with udon. Let's try the broth. Super rich collagen broth, super savory, tastes amazing. I also got the fin noodles, and let's try it out. Perfectly cooked, nice and bouncy, and it absorbs the broth as well. So the noodles are super flavorful. Super happy with my choice, and I'll try Sebastian's in a minute. Okay, let's try some Sebastian's noodles. It's also really good. The soup is super creamy, and it's kind of like a cream of crab soup. He also got the thick udon, so it doesn't absorb the soup as fast. So that's the only downside of getting the thin ones.
There's no upside of the thin ones. The thick ones taste better. Udon tastes so much better when it's thick. Okay,
lesson learned here. You get the regular thick udons instead of the thin ones if you want to savor more soup. All right, somehow managed to finish all of the udon. This is Sebastian's bowl, which the crab noodles were in. He did get 3x, so between the two of us, we did finish it.
I could have finished it myself. I gave you the last third so you could enjoy it. And I'm working on her third or so, or whatever amount she had. But I could have finished it.
I'm actually surprised. So everyone at the restaurant has their own giant bowl of udon, but I'm going to assume they are normal people and order only 1 serving and not 3 servings, because I don't think I could finish 3 servings by myself. I'd have to be super hungry, and it would be like eating after working out for me to finish 3 servings by myself. I also tried the tofu appetizer. It's super creamy, and it is a bit too salty for me. Yeah, a little heavy on the seasoning, but the tofu itself is nice, smooth, and perfect. Definitely recommend checking this place out if you are in the mood for udon and in the Ginza area. And get here early, otherwise you're gonna be waiting for over an hour. Yes, confirm payment. Welcome into the deluxe room at the Hyatt Centric. So as you can see, this is much larger than the standard room. There's an extra table here. And this time we did opt for 2 twin beds. Regardless if you have twin beds or a king bed, the size of the deluxe room is going to be exactly the same. The art is different, so switch it up a little, but we still have the little work desk here, the stiff chair, lounge chair. Instead of a bar stool, there is a little seat, so it is comfier than the bar stool. Or if you want some back support, then there is another chair here as well. So yeah, 1 extra work table, an extra chair, and significantly more space. So in the previous room, the closet was over here, but there is the whole separate area plus a divider for the closet area. The actual closet space itself, like the closet rack, feels the same because the backpacks are pretty much taking up the same exact amount of room. In case you're curious where we are, we're right here. This is the deluxe room, so it's slightly larger than the standard corner room that we were previously in. Everything else is pretty much exactly the same. It's an island counter with same stuff inside. Bathing area is also exactly the same size. Good morning. Day 2 at the Hyatt Centric, and it's breakfast time. Got some of my favorite items. First one is the salmon and the croffle, which is the croissant waffle. Added some whipped cream and blueberries, along with some salmon poke. Today, instead of udon, it looks like they have some pho. So how the croffle station works is you heat up one of the waffle makers for 2 minutes. On the dial, that's the number of minutes. After it's ready and heated up, take one of the croffles and put it in. Sets a timer for 5 minutes, and then they also have a timer that you can take with you to the table, where you don't have to stand over. And after 5 minutes, take the croffle out and add your desired toppings. Let's try it. That's so good. So it kind of has the flakiness of a croissant and then the chewiness of a waffle. Yeah, definitely recommend trying it out. The breakfast buffet runs from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Last used at 10 a.m. and they completely closed the buffet off at 10:30. Breakfast is complimentary for us because we have Hyatt Globalist status. Another option is paying out of pocket or booking a room rate that includes breakfast. There's a wide range of items, so there's a cereal bar, salad bar, cold cuts, pastries, and on the sides are the hot item stations. So karaage, hash browns, congee. Right in the middle are the made-to-order eggs and also where you can find the salmon. They put it on the grill for you once you order it. And then on the other side of that are roasted vegetables and a noodle station. There's also a wide range of juices and smoothies to choose from. If you want coffee, I ordered a cafe latte. Seb has regular coffee, and you ordered these with the waiter. Super solid breakfast, one of our favorites so far. One of our favorite items is also the coconut French toast. Welcome to today's segment of Shopping with Sebi.
Hello.
Sebastian, what is on your shopping list?
Something to make Mandy happy. Also Hibiki 21 for myself.
Hibiki 21, but what edition?
The Mount Fuji edition.
And how much is that in the United States or on the secondary market?
Secondary market here and also the US is about $2 to $3K depending on where you go. So pretty aggressive.
So there is an official duty-free Centauri outlet in the Tokyo Plaza Mall. They have the limited edition Mount Fuji Hibiki 21 on sale for 55,000 yen. However, it is a daily lottery. Oh, number 7! Oh, number 7 won! We won! Now we actually have to confirm our flight back to the state.
So was it me who won or you?
It's you!
Oh, I won.
Number 7! Oh! Congratulations, sir! This is shopping with Sebi. However, the catch is that it's 1-to-1 spend. So kind of like how at Hermes, in order to get one of the quota bags, you have to do like 1-to-1 spend. For his highly subsidized Hibiki price of 55,000 yen, he has to spend the equivalent of that as well or more in order to have the right to buy it, even though he won the lottery already. So this is an official duty-free shop, so you have to be exiting Japan in order to buy it, and they'll have it waiting for you at the airport. Overall, I definitely think this property is worth staying at, especially if you want to be in the Ginza area. The staff is super friendly and laid back, and they're also proactive, or at least at the time we're staying, about giving us upgrades. So since we do have globalist status, the first night they gave us a standard room because upgrades weren't available, and the second night they were like, yeah, if you don't mind moving, then we can upgrade you to a deluxe room on the second night. So that was pretty cool. The breakfast is definitely my new favorite one in Japan, and as for the room hard product, I think it's one of the most spacious as well. Super cool vibes, and I'm a fan. I would happily stay here again. If you made it this far in the video, leave a dog emoji in the comments below, and I'll try to heart and respond. My question to you is, what are your thoughts on the Hyatt Centric, and would you consider staying here next time you visit Tokyo? Let me and everyone else know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
I think it's a good buy.
That's the part.
Yeah.
Is this a sign?
I think it's a sign.
I think this is legit a sign, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.